One of the most exciting updates of today is basically what came out from Liminal, ZoomCuts for macOS. I think this is really awesome that now you can actually automate Zoom using Apple shortcuts. I think for the longest time, if you have been using a Mac, right, I think the biggest wish is to be able to leverage on shortcuts to actually perform certain tasks. And I think what really this offers is to actually help you to automate some of the things that you really want to write a simple macro to make your meeting experience more palatable, more convenient, or for example, to make it even better and simple, right? So I think just looking at this so far that I've seen, some of the actions available, like for example, spotlight hands to be able to, show a picture of participants, or the most simple stuff such as renaming yourself. And how many times have you think of, that you need to rename yourself in different types of meetings? And oftentimes the way you use the names can be common across different types of meetings. And imagine yourself right now, you can actually, with a click of a button or push of a button, right, to be able to pick the different names and you rename yourself instantaneously. And that's so simple. So I have already installed ZoomCuts. So it's already available. I have also added some of the shortcuts that are provided as templates. So maybe let me just click on to start the instant meeting just to show the renaming part of things. So right now I'm already in the Zoom meeting. And I think what's good is to be able to use some of these features to showcase. And I think one thing beyond just using the shortcuts available from the Mac itself is adding shortcuts to Stream Deck. So if you do have one of these, Stream Deck is actually one of the best things that you can actually have as part of what you need from a productivity point of view if you are heavily working on, anything, right? So let me just switch gear and just show you in terms of what is available on Stream Deck as well, which I just quickly added as well. So on Stream Deck right now, I've also added some of the shortcuts using some of the plugins available. And I have added 4 shortcuts. And I think one of the things I want to showcase is just in terms of renaming. So maybe let me just click on rename right now. So let me switch to ZoomCuts and I click on rename. And what's going to happen is that it's going to actually then interface with shortcuts and show me the names that are available. And maybe perhaps right now I want to show the status of my name and I am on the Dev Star, for example. So as you can see, my name has changed. And just to showcase that, and there you go. So it's that simple. And this is something that I'm going to spend some time to explore the possibilities of what I can actually do, and really giving kudos to the team who has actually built this. And, just a shout out to them. This is really a good product. And, for those of you out there, take some time, read through the documentations, try it out. And I'm sure the possibilities are endless.